Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today on Buy Smart, we're comparing two popular drones, the Heygelo S90 and the DROCON Drone. Let's see which one flies higher in our showdown. First up, let's talk about camera quality. The Heygelo S90 features a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera, capturing stunning aerial shots that are perfect for social media. Reviewers appreciate its photo quality, although some note that the live stream isn't the best. On the other hand, the DROCON Drone also has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing for more versatile shots. While some find the camera functional but not exceptional, many appreciate the flexibility the adjustable lens offers. Next, let's discuss flight stability and ease of use. The Heygelo S90 is designed with beginners in mind, featuring altitude hold, 1 key start, land, and 3 speed settings. Reviewers highlight its ease of use, especially for kids and beginners, and praise its durability despite crashes. The DROCON Drone also offers user-friendly features like headless mode, 1 key start, land, and an emergency stop. Reviews are mixed, with some praising its ease of use and others noting it can be affected by wind due to its lightweight design. Now for the special features. The Heygelo S90 offers fun stunts like 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, all controllable via remote, app, voice, or even gravity sensing. Reviewers enjoy these features, though some note that not all advertised features work well. The DROCON Drone also boasts a variety of features, including gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, and 360-degree flips. Reviewers appreciate the range of features, though some find certain functionalities, like the camera clip, problematic. Let's look at battery life and portability. The Heygelo S90 comes with 2 modular batteries, offering up to 26 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flying time and the drone's durability. The DROCON Drone also includes 2 batteries, providing up to 24 minutes of flight time, and comes with a suitcase for easy storage. While some reviewers are happy with the battery life and portability, others feel the drone's lightweight design makes it less stable in windy conditions. Finally, let's talk price and value. The Heygelo S90 is priced at just $59, making it a budget-friendly option with a lot of features. Reviewers find it to be a great value for beginners and kids. The DROCON Drone, priced at $109, is more expensive, but offers a slew of additional features. While some feel it's worth the higher price, others think it might not be the best investment if camera quality and stability are top priorities. Overall, reviews for the Heygelo S90 praise its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. The DROCON Drone receives mixed reviews, with some users loving its features and portability, while others are less impressed with its camera quality and stability. So which drone will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.